Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a loading animation in Figma. This is a great way to add dynamic, professional-looking loaders to your designs, and it's simpler than you might think. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Figma application and navigate to the project where you want to create this loading animation. Once you're in your project, you'll need to start building the base shape for your loader. At the bottom of your screen, click the shape icon. From the drop-down, select Ellipse. This will be the foundation of your loading animation. Now drag the ellipse onto your frame. Once it's placed, head over to the right side panel where you can adjust the fill color to your liking. This is also where you'll adjust the arc of your circle. To do this, drag the small circular icon inside the ellipse. This creates a partial arc rather than a full circle, which is exactly what we need for the animation. Next, you'll want to create a quarter circle. Drag another small circle icon to shape your arc into roughly a quarter of the full circle. This first variant represents the starting point of your loading animation, so make sure it looks clean and properly aligned. Now it's time to set up the animation variants. On the right side panel, click the component icon, then click the variant icon. This allows you to create multiple states for your loading animation. Adjust variant 2 so that the arc forms roughly half a circle. This gives you the second stage of the loader. After that, click the plus icon underneath to add another variant. Adjust this one so the arc forms about 3/4 of a full circle. Then click the plus icon once more and complete the circle entirely. You should now have 4 variants representing different stages of the loading animation. With your variants set up, head back to the right side panel and click on Prototype. This is where the magic happens. Click on the first circle variant and drag a connection line to the second circle. Set the trigger to after delay and enter 1 ms. For the animation, set the duration to 100 ms. This creates a smooth transition between states. Now repeat this process for each subsequent variant. Connect the second circle to the third to the fourth, and so on, using the exact same settings. Take your time with this step to ensure every connection is consistent and smooth. Once you've connected all the variants in sequence, click the play icon in the upper right corner to preview your animation. You should see a smooth, looping loading effect. To complete the loop, connect the last circle variant back to the first circle using the same trigger and animation settings. This ensures the animation repeats seamlessly. Finally, to test your animation in a new context, click the frame icon at the bottom and create a new frame. On the left side, click Assets, then drag the loading animation component you just created into the new frame. Now you have a reusable animated loader ready to use anywhere in your project. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.